Hi everybody, my name is Yashas and today I am going to explain about plastic welding. Plastic welding is the process of joining two pieces of thermoplastics at heated state and under a pressure as a result of cross linkage of their polymer molecules. The pieces are fused together with or without filler material. The joint forms when the parts are cooled below the glass transition temperature, that is formorphous polymers, are below the melting temperature for crystal polymers. This is how the plastic welding is made. There are five types of plastic welding: hard gas welding, hard plate welding, ultrasonic welding, spin welding, and vibration welding. Hard gas welding. Hard gas welding is a plastic welding process utilizing heat of hot gases stream. The gas, usually air, is heated by electric heating elements mounted within the welding gun. The torch, that is welding gun, directs the heated gas towards the workpiece surfaces and the rod of filler material. The edges of the joint parts and the filler rod material are fused together and pressed. The polymer molecules are cross-linked when the workpiece cools down, forming a strong joint. This is how the uh, hard gas welding is made. So let's go to second type of welding. Second type of welding is hard plate welding. Hard plate welding is a plastic welding process utilizing heat or hard plate placed between the surface to be joined. The workpieces pressed to the plate heat up and soften. After the predominant time, the plate is removed. The parts are brought to the contact, pressed and fused together. Their polymer molecules are cross-linked when the workpieces cools down, forming a strong joint. So some applications of hot plate weldings are it is used in components of domestic electric devices like dishwashers, washing machines, and vacuum cleaners, and it is used to fuse the or to make contact the pipes, and it is also used in the automatic components like lights, fuel tanks, reservoirs, and batteries, and many more. So this is the structural representation, or this the figure uh, of how hard plate welding is made. So first we have to place these two plates to be melt a little, and then they are removed and they are joined with a pressure. The third type of welding is ultrasonic welding. Ultrasonic welding is a plastic welding process in which two work pieces are bound as a result of a pressure exerted to the welded parts combined with the application of high frequency acoustic vibration, that is ultrasonic. Ultrasonic vibration transmitted by a metal tube on sonotrode causes oscillating flexing of the material and friction between the parts, which results in a closer contact between the two surfaces with simultaneous local heating of the contact area. The plastic melts in the contact area. The polymer molecules are cross-linked, forming a strong joint. Some applications of ultrasonic welding are: it is used in the medical equipment, that is filters, face masks, valves, corneometry reservoir, and it is also used in automatic components like glove boxes, doors, filters, valves, airflow sensors, and appliances such as vacuum cleaner, steam iron, dishwasher components, and it is also used in electrical equipments like switches, terminal blocks, and connectors, and it is also used in electronic and computer components, and it is also used in toys. This is the structure or graphical figure of the process of ultrasonic welding. The next type of welding is spin welding. Spin welding is a plastic welding process in which two cylindrical parts are brought in contact by a friction pressure, which one of them rotates. Friction between the parts result in heating their ends. After a predetermined time, the rotation stops and the molten regions of the work pieces are fused together under an axial pressure applied until the joint is cooled down. Some advantages of spin welding are reproductivity. Large parts may be welded, high quality welded. oxidizing polymers may be welded. Sorry. And some disadvantages of a spin welding are at least one of the part of the welder should have a circular symmetry, and it should be minimum rigidity required. This is the figure of the spin welding process, and this one side will be rotating, which makes this makes a little hot on the other side. This is how the spin welding are worked. The last one is vibration welding. The vibration welding is plastics welding process in which two workpieces are vibrated at a certain frequency and amplitude. The parts rub each other under a pressure, causing a friction between their surfaces, which generates heat. The heat results in melting polymer in the joint region. The workpieces are fused together, and after the predominant time, the vibration stops. The polymer molecules are cross-linked when the workpieces cools down, forming a strong joint. Some advantages of vibration welding are oxidizing polymers may be divided. So, polymers may be divided, easily automated, high productivity, large and complex parts may be welded. This is sort of video representation. See, this is by the friction it is welding. See, yeah, this is how the vibration welding works. So these are the five types of weldings, plastic weldings. I hope you get it. Thank you.